This video is going to show how to use GeoGebra to type in a bunch of data points and plot those data points and then look at the least squares regression line. First thing I'm going to do is make the font bigger. That's up inside of options and then font size. Okay, easiest way to type in data points is to see the spreadsheet view. So go into view and then click spreadsheet. And then you type in all of your inputs. So I'm just making numbers up. And then you type in your outputs in the next column. And next thing to do is plot them all, and we do that by clicking and dragging to highlight all of these cells, and then right click, and then create, and then list of points. And so list of points is here, and it's actually plotted, although at the moment we can't see them. So the best thing to do is click over here, any place in here, in order to get to this button right here. And once we've clicked that button there, that allows us to go to any white space here and just move things around. But what I also want to do is actually shift the axes. So you can see that the hand icon changes to this double arrow. And when that happens, you can drag the axes around. And so given that these are my data points, I just move things around until I see all the data points. There they are. Okay, so that's the collection of all the data points, and if I'm looking to get GeoGebra to give me the line of best fit, the command here is fit line. And so as soon as it pops up, you can either click it or you can just click it, and then it says what's the list of points, and it is just called list one as a default. So I just type in list one, and then it shows me not just the graph of the line itself, but also the equation of the line is here. You can click this thing and move it around to see. And if I don't have enough digits here, I go to options, rounding, I can get many more digits. And again, you can move this line to see all of the digits. Okay, and then the other piece that we're going to talk briefly about is what if I wanted to find the fit line, but not for all the data, but rather just for a smaller collection of this data. So let's suppose that it's just like 3 data points that are in here. So I can either retype them or maybe just copy and paste them. So Control C copies, and then Control V pastes, or maybe Apple C and Apple V. So suppose that it's just these few, Control C, Control V, and then Control C, Control V. So suppose I want the fit line, best fit line for those data points. I click and drag to highlight all of them. I right click, I create list of points. It's not going to show me anything different here because it still is just plotting 3 points, but now I can do fit line for list 2, which is the smaller collection of just 3 points. So fit line, and then I type in list 2 and I hit enter, and you can see the line has changed. This G line right here is the one for just the smaller collection of points. Yeah, I think that's about it. It's also possible to hide, like if you don't want to see something, you can just click on this little circle to the left, so that hides one line and then it toggles back on, hide the other line. I can hide all of list 1. Yeah, so you can just go through and hide and show whichever ones you're interested in. So hopefully that helps.